This might actually worth the hype. It's giving content creator body. Did it deliver? Let's see.
Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga a eater, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, stay bad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in the jeans. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting the beam.
Hey boss babes, welcome to another video with boss babe Nickie. Oh yes, so welcome to my channel, Nickie's Diary. And guys, today we are going to unbox my baby. Oh yes, the Sony ZV-1F. Yes girl, camera upgrade from my phone. Clock it. Let's unbox this baby together. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or you just want to level up your content, keep watching. This camera is every content girlie's dream, but I will tell you in this video if it's worth every penny. So let's get into it. Alright boss babes, let's get into the haul because Sony did not come to play. It comes with this 64GB SD card so I can start filming immediately. No delay, no drama. This cloth right here is for cleaning the lens. Love this for me because fingerprint and dust be showing up uninvited, okay? This is my warranty card and the manual instruction papers. Guys, I go to YouTube University, so I won't be using this for real. Trust and believe. Are you subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button. This is the tripod that it comes with, guys. Although it's not my first choice, it will be working for now. It's very flexible and I like that about it. It comes with this USB card. I don't know what it's for, maybe to charge the camera. Now this portable light, girl, it's bright, perfect for low light days, but heads up, it doesn't comes with batteries, which is a bit annoying to me. I wish it was rechargeable, so I might switch it up eventually. This is the portable battery that it comes with, guys, and I'll be putting it to the test to see how long it lasts, so stay tuned for that. This is the bag strap that comes with the little bag, guys. Cute and practical. I love when they think about us girlies who are always on the go. The mic cover for when we're filming outside or windy areas. Last but not the least, my Sony ZV-1F camera, guys. She's sleek, lightweighted, and I feel like a big vlogger already. Clock that tea. Guys, I feel so proud of myself. I've been wanting this camera for ages now, and if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, just trust, believe, and get it done, basically. What I mostly love about this camera, guys, is the flip screen, and look at that. It's basically 360. Come on. It's so amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's get these batteries in, guys, so we can give it a test run. Okay? Let's turn this baby on, guys. So, guys, basically Sony have this app, the creator app, that I'll need to download. I watch videos about this, guys. I haven't registered anything, but I'm aware of it because I'll be watching my reviews, okay? Yeah. Guys, look at that quality. Let's try the SD card so we can record something on it. No, guys, this part is for the girlies that are here in Jamaica. I'm going to basically give you the steps that I take to buy my camera. So I went on Amazon and I ordered my camera, but instead of sending it to a courier here in Jamaica, I sent it to my best friend in America. And then she got her girlie to carry it down for me because I was not having it. They want to charge me $45,000 to clear this, and that was too much. I'm a baddie on a budget. You all know this. If you know, you know. And that's the reason why I'm not taking it out of a box, because, you know, they be traveling with it in their carry-on. Guys, this is definitely an upgrade from my phone. I'm super, super excited. The features that I love about this camera, guys, is the flip screen, the product showcase mode, the blur background. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't wait to use that. Right? The built-in directional mic. Girl, look at that quality. I don't even need to adjust anything for it to like this. Oh my gosh. I did went ahead and got some accessories for my camera. This is in my favorite color. Whoa, I didn't expect it to come, but I was like, it should have. So this case, guys, it also comes with a gloss screen protector, which I did not know, because I also went ahead and got this separately. Also got this card reader adapter on Amazon. All these are on Amazon, guys. Very inexpensive. If you want to know the price, they will be listed in my storefront. And I also got some spare batteries. I did make an unboxing video, guys, but I changed my mind. So yeah, it's 3 of them. Got this to charge the battery. Plug into the battery charger, and then all 3 batteries can be charged at the same time. How cool is this? I did have this around my house, guys, and I said to myself, whenever I got my camera, I'm going to put this on. So I'm going to accessorize it as well. Alright, boss babes, this is my final thought on my Sony ZV-1F kit. Super cute, beginner friendly, and it comes with everything to get you started. I love how compact it is, and the video quality is actually pretty good for its price. But let's be real, if you're looking for level up features or full control over your settings, this might not be for you. It's simple, it's easy, but it's not magic. So, is it worth it? If you're starting out or vlogging on the go, yes. If you're a new YouTuber like I am and you want something lightweight, the Sony ZV-1F is the way to go. I recommend this camera 100%, guys. I paid $521.49 in total for the combo kit that I got. The only thing I wish it had was a great tripod, and I will definitely invest in that. But Anna, all she eats. She eats, guys. She eats. She's giving what she is supposed to. Let me know in the comments if you would like a settings tutorial of my Sony ZV-1. Also, remember to subscribe and follow me on TikTok at Nickie's Diary, Boss Babe Nickie 28, and on Instagram, Boss Babe Nickie. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.